How to fix Snapchat notification sound not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Snapchat. Make sure the app is up to date. Mine is showing update here, so I will go ahead and update the app further. For the app to perform smoothly, you have to make sure that you are using an updated version of the application. Next, tap on Open and then open the application. In here, tap on your Bitmoji on the top left of your screen and further tap on the settings icon on the top right of your screen. Scroll down and under My Account tab, tap on the notifications option and make sure you have enabled notification for Snapchat, and if not, then go ahead and enable the notification by tapping on the Enable Notifications button. You can customize notification according to your preference by toggling on or toggling off the toggle buttons. Also, launch the Settings application and scroll down and tap on the Snapchat option and make sure all the toggle buttons are enabled, and further tap on the notification and toggle on the button for sounds. And by now, your Snapchat notification sound should be working just fine. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.